Are you looking to take your photography skills to the next level? Then you have come to the right place. It can be difficult to decide which camera is best for beginners, as there are so many out there. Whether you're an aspiring photographer or just a hobbyist looking to get started, this video will help guide you in your search for the perfect camera. Here, we'll discuss the top 5 best cameras for beginners and what features make them great choices. Our first choice is the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. Is an impressive addition to the powerful line of digital cameras from Olympus. This latest iteration of the popular camera series brings with it a host of new features and technology that make it ideal for both amateur and professional photographers. With its improved autofocus system, 4K video recording capabilities, and 20-megapixel image resolution, the OMD EM10 Mark IV provides users with the perfect blend of quality and functionality. Our second choice is the Canon EOS Rebel SL3. Is the latest addition to Canon's line of entry-level DSLR cameras. This highly sought-after camera offers users a sophisticated feature set, a comprehensive range of lenses, and exceptional performance capabilities. Combining a powerful 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with an expanded ISO range and 4K UHD video recording, the Rebel SL3 delivers stunning photos and videos with remarkable clarity and accuracy. Our third choice is the Nikon Z50. Is the latest entry into the world of digital cameras. It is a mirrorless camera that offers professional-level performance and features in a compact and lightweight body. With a 20.9-megapixel CMOS sensor, 4K video recording capabilities, and an intuitive touchscreen interface, the Z50 packs a lot of power into its small frame. Nikon's range of lenses offer stunning image quality and versatility, making it easy to customize the camera to suit any shooting needs. Our fourth choice is the Sony a6000. Is an excellent interchangeable lens camera that has been on the market since 2014. It's a great choice for photographers of all levels and is able to produce stunning images. Not only does it offer impressive performance, but it has a range of features that make it incredibly easy to use. With its 24-megapixel APS-C image sensor and 179 autofocus points, the Sony a6000 is capable of capturing incredibly detailed shots with sharp clarity. Our last choice is the Nikon ZFC. Is a revolutionary digital camera that has changed the way photographers capture images. With its full-frame CMOS sensor, it captures vibrant photographs with incredible clarity and detail. It also features the latest in advanced technology, offering features such as 4K UHD video recording and an improved autofocus system for maximum accuracy. This camera truly sets a new standard for modern digital photography. Its user-friendly design makes it easy to use for both professional photographers and beginners alike. If you are enjoying our video, please subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, that is know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching the video.